Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to another tips and tricks tutorial video brought to you by Freelancer School. My name's Taylor Keene, and today we're going to talk about HubSpot cookies and just how you can customize the banner um, for different geographical regions and basically go from there. Why you would need this? It's part if you need to turn on your EU GDPR settings, things like that. Um, then certain places, in within the EU might need to have certain private policies and things like that, and how you deal with these contacts. In the United States, it might be different, but there's a lot of stuff going on with data and privacy right now. So this is kind of the beginning of getting your act together if you have customers, if you're like a global brand or just based in these places where data laws are uh, getting much stricter. So if you click on the settings in the top right here, then you're going to go on the left hand side and we're going to click on privacy and consent. Then what we're going to do is we're not going to turn on data privacy settings unless you are in one of those places. You could turn that on, but I say that read all about this in the HubSpot documents, the help documents, because there's a lot of things that change. And again, you're going to have to make sure that the legal basis field for handling contacts is populated correctly. If they opt in, if they opt out, all those different things. So it just changes how you deal with contacts. I'd be careful, like, before you turn that on. So what we're gonna do is first we're just gonna go to cookies right here, and I'm gonna explain the main part of this video, which is gonna be this cookie banner. So you could add your external domain if you wanted to. We're just gonna go to our domain, then we're gonna click on um, edit our banner. And if you wanted to view it on the site, I can show you. It's gonna look like this right here. So I just viewed it, and that's what it looks like. Now I'm gonna go back and click on edit. So you can see here that if you don't put a path for the targeted banner, then you can have this is just how you would do like a general banner. Now, if you want to respond to GPC, Global Privacy Control, um, you could do that. And again, they at least they have a lot of documents. You can read more, but again, this is just all going to be on specific use cases. Um, like they have advanced cookie banner settings where you can allow all cookies or deactivate cookies. Probably not going to do allow all cookies. That was a little bit ridiculous anywhere probably at this point. Now, if you wanted to have a different path, for instance, now you could, like, say we wanted to do this for a different country, you would just create another consent banner and then choose the country it applies to. Um, and yeah, they just let you do it. It has the EU as a whole, so it kind of breaks it up by regions too if you want to like auto select a lot of these. But overall, it makes it pretty simple to handle what you need to when it comes to showing the right information from and how your cookie banner operates in those selected regions. Now, let's see here. Let's go back. So you can see we have it active in the United States. You can customize the consent banners for the domain. It's cookie settings button. This is just how you would add it in there. I think I can customize what it looks like. So right here, I could maybe switch it to the bottom if we like the bottom more. And then what you could do is um, click save and exit. So there's different things like that. But that's just the cookies is pretty overall pretty easy, and I just really wanted to show you where you can go to um, handle the geographical isolations of your cookie banner showing. So you can play around in here too. You can analyze your contacts, consent options. So this is going to be, you can edit the content of your privacy policy, which I would do. Things like that. How, if you need to have check mark agreements like boxes, you can edit the checkbox content, different stuff like that. So um, overall, not too hard, but just yeah, it can get deep fast with the privacy and security stuff. So at the beginning, I would work on just fixing like that basic idea of handling cookies correctly in the correct regions. Um, but if you, I think that's all I have to say today. If you're ready to take your marketing to the next level, um, whether you're a freelancer or a business owner, you can book a one-on-one coaching session with me. I can help you tackle your challenges, optimize your tools, and create strategies to grow. So check out the link in the description to get started. And yeah, I'm excited. We have 30-minute sessions for 150 bucks, 1 hour sessions for 300 bucks, and a growth package, which is just three 1 hour sessions for 750 bucks. With the Calendly link below. So have a great day. We're always here for you. Let us know if you have any questions, as always, in the comments below, and we'll try to get back to you.